Hey guys, today in this tutorial I will teach you how to make these two beautiful handwriting text animation in After Effects. Before we start, I want to thank to each and everyone who have subscribed to my channel and leased me to this amazing 700k subscribers milestone. It really means a lot to me. Now, without any further delay, let's jump right into it. First, open After Effects and create a new composition. You can just copy my settings. After that, we need to create a text layer. For that, click on this T icon right here, then type your text. After that, we need to select a good handwriting font. The three fonts which is my personal favorite are Daughter of Fortune, Cream Cake and Michel. For this tutorial, I am gonna use Michel. Now we need to adjust the properties of text. Now align it to center of the composition. Now we need to center this anchor point. For that, press Ctrl Alt Home on our keyboard to align it. For the handwriting text animation, we need to create a mask on our text layer. So select this pen tool right here and mask your text. After masking the text layer, add an effect called stroke. Now copy my settings. Create an end keyframe of value 0 at the start. Go where we want to transition and make it to 100. Now select this both keyframes, press F9 to ease them. Go to the graph editor, select speed graph and copy my graph. Now for the out animation, go few frames ahead and create a start keyframe. Then go to the end of the text layer, change it to 100. Now select both keyframes F9 to ease them. Go to the graph editor, again select speed graph and copy my graph. Here our handwriting text is completed, but to give it more vibe, I am gonna add some extra keyframes. Press S on your keyboard, create a scale keyframe at the starting of the text layer, go to the end of the layer, change its value to 120. Now press P on your keyboard, create a position keyframe, drag it to the end of the layer, then you can play with the values or just copy my settings. Select both of these keyframes, F9 to ease them, go to the graph editor and copy my graph. Now press R on your keyboard, create a rotation keyframe, drag it to the end of the layer and play with the values or just copy my settings. Now select both of these keyframes, again F9 to ease them, go to the graph editor, select speed graph and copy my graph. Now our first animation is ready, but to make it more good, I'm gonna add an text effect called gradient ramp. Now change the start color to white and end color to whatever you want. Now select this start of ramp point, then place it at the top of your text layer. After that, select this end of ramp point, then place it to the bottom of the text layer. After that, add an effect called Bevel Alpha. Enable motion blur and add your deep glow settings. You can grab this colorful deep blue setting from my Discord server. Link is in the description of this tutorial. Now our first handwriting text animation is ready. Now for the second one, I am gonna duplicate this text layer by pressing Ctrl D on my keyboard, then hide the bottom layer. Now come to this stroke settings, then disable this stroke sequentially option. After that, press S on your keyboard, select both of these keyframes, press F9 to easy ease them. Go to the graph editor, then copy my graph. Now press P on your keyboard, go to the end, then delete the keyframes, then add a new keyframe at the end, go to the starting of the text layer, then play with the settings, or you can just copy my setting. After that, select both the keyframes, press F9 on your keyboard to easy ease them, go to the graph editor, select speed graph and copy my graph. Now press R on your keyboard, go to the end and delete these keyframes. Now adjust some gradient settings as I do. After that, change it to another color as you like. And also change the tint color to the same color. Now our second handwriting text animation is ready. Now that's it for today guys. The fonts, colorful deep blue settings and the project file of these two handwriting text animation will be available on my Discord server, so join and grab it. Link is in description. Suggest me some more topic for tutorials. I will catch you in the next tutorial guys. Till then, take care. Bye bye.